Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we still have this 2011 Honda Odyssey, and we will be replacing the CV axle passenger side. Alright, so I will just gonna show you what I did. So this is the procedure that I did to remove this CV axle. So you have to remove this knuckle. So there were two bolts in here. I'm not gonna show you everything anymore because there's a bunch of videos in YouTube of how to remove this. So just two axle in here. Remember to remove this. So this one, just hang it. And also I did remove this stabilizer link bar. Actually this is the only part that you don't need to remove, but unfortunately this one is already busted and I had parts in there, so I'm gonna replace this one. And now you have the enough space. And by the way, the axle nut is 36 mm. Yeah, it's 36 mm. So 36 mm, 22 and 17 mm. Those are the socket that you need. And now I already removed this. There were two bolts over there. I think that's number right there, one over here and one underneath. You could see that right there. I think that's number 14. So after we remove that, you can pull the CV axle. It's gonna be, it's not that really hard. It's just that there's few bolts that you need to remove from here. Alright, so again, I did not show you how to remove this one because it's super easy. The hardest part is this, but you have to get a vice grip to hold this one so it won't rotate. But the whole thing, it's just it's average. It's not that hard. It's not that easy. Alright, you just need to at least you have your proper tools. Milwaukee make your your job easier. Okay, let's remove the two bolts right there. I think that's number 14. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so we'll be using number 14. Oh yeah, it's number 14. Number 14, the other one. Underneath. There. Okay. So we have the same size. I think so. Yeah, same length. Alright, and let's try to pull it. Nope, it didn't work. Try to tap it. Nope. Let's try to get a hammer. Something, I can use this one. Just stop it. Okay, just little tap. Okay. Alright. Nope, still doesn't come out. Okay, hold it. No luck, so I'm gonna use my pry bar. I'll do underneath and tap it, push it or top it out. There. Alright guys, so I hope you could see this. So there's a little method right there. I think this one. You need to put this. Maybe you can see that. Come on. Over here, this one. This one. This one. Try to pry it and then it will separate. See that? It's starting to separate now. Just put like this and top it. Yeah. The trick. Alright, so I put a couple of, top. It took me like 10-15 minutes to do it. And there you go. Done. All right. Okay. Now on that hole, just gonna spray it with WD-40. So if we put the new one, it's gonna be easier. Just be careful. There you go. Yeah. It's gonna be smooth. Alright, so we'll be using this truck motive brand, and there's some difference, like just the design though, but it seems like it's the length are same. Alright, yes, let's put it on. Okay, let's put it on. Let's put it on. Okay, alright. Perfect. Wow. Really? That was fast. Let me check under it. Over here. Look at that. It's in. Perfectly, And that's the... Oh, come on. See it? Just put on the 14 bolts and that's it. So let's tighten the 14 mm bolt. Right, that's it. Just double check. this on. We're almost done. Just put one bolt. Alright, after that I can put the lug nut. So number 36. Good. Over here, just a little bit hole, just a little hole in here. You can use this one and tap it. This is for your additional, you know, lock for your, like this. Right, let's do it. Alright, that's it, done. Alright, so there you go. That's how you know, replace CV axle passenger side for 2011 Honda Odyssey. I'm not gonna show you anymore how to put, you know, those rotors, brake pad, etc. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.